Hey everyone, today we are going to show you how to cut images and enhance them. So we're going to use free online design tools for that, just like you do with IMG CUT to enhance your images. So let's just get started. So we can head over to a browser, and one of the free website we can use is Pixlr. So you can go over and type in Pixlr and head over to this pixlr.com and open it up, and you can log in with your account if you are not logged in. I'm going to use my Google account for this video right here. Once you are logged in here, you can find your Pixlr account. You can just go over and look out for it. So once you are here, you can go over to Pixlr editor and you can go over and upload your image here. Click on open image, or you can select this option for create new and upload up your image here. For example, this image right here, and click on open and upload it. You can select up your size here. We're going to use full HD. You can select wave or ultra HD. After that, click on apply and upload the image on your screen. Now there we go, the image has been uploaded. Now we can just go over and enhance the image. So for that, you can go over and start using different tools available. If you want to cut out the image, you can select this option for a scissor. In order to cut out the image, you can select up the certain part that you would like to cut out and remove it. You can just go over and do so. You can start editing out your images here. So if you want to go ahead and go over and add up text, you can select this option for text and add up a text onto your image here. So you can just go over and do so. So you can select this option for add and select up the layer where you would like to add up the text. So we can just go over and add up the text. I'm just gonna type in a building and hit enter, and you can just go over and place the part where you would like to place it. So you can drag and drop to open up the file on your screen. There we go, and place it wherever you want. You can also add the filter and if different thing. You can select this option for touch or burn, or select this option for edit and filling in or stroking it, etc. You can look out for this option for filling in, gradient, and apply it up on your image. Similarly, we have different options available here. You can even start by focusing and adding in blur for your image. You can go ahead and adjust it for your image itself and apply it up, and click on apply as well to apply it up. And you can even add up layers here. So you can select this option for adding in layers and different, and go over and download the image. So select this option for save if you want to download the image, and click on save as and save it up on your device. Once you save it up, you can go over and click on yes, and the image has been saved here. Now, if you want to use any other or combine any other application for that image, you can enhance and add design elements. For that, you can use Canva or Figma. So we're going to use Canva for this one right here. You can go over to canva.com for that and go over and create an image. Select the option for create and select up your post that you copied earlier. So you can select up the picture that you copied earlier, select upload for that, and select up your image. So let's say this is the image. Once you keep up the image onto your screen, you can adjust it according to your post size, and there you can start editing it out. You can select this option for edit. If you want to apply up for filters, etc., you can just go ahead and add it here. And once you add it, you should be finding the filter being applied. Similarly, you can erase it out, flip it, etc., animate it, position, etc. as well. And do so, you can look out for other editing options. And once you're okay with it, you can select this option for share and click on download, and you can start compressing the file or limit the file size to certain things if you want to optimize it. And you can select the size and everything and select the option for download and download the particular image into your device. And that's it. So that is how you enhance your images using design tools or different applications available, a perfect alternative to IMG CUT. So if this video was helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And thank you for watching this video.